Why plein air paint? There's several reasons why you might want to try to go out plein air outdoor watercolor painting. Reason 1, it allows you to paint directly from nature, which can help you capture the essence of a scene more accurately and authentically. Number 2, painting outdoors can be a great way to connect with nature and get some fresh air. And 3, the changing light weather conditions can provide challenging and dynamic environment to paint in, which can help you improve your skills and push you in your artistic boundaries. Number 4, plein air painting can be a great way to get you out of the studio and try something new. It can be refreshing, change the pace, and fun outdoor activity. 5, you can take your paintings with you and share them with others on display in your home and as unique and personal pieces of art. Overall, going out plein air painting can be rewarding and enjoyable experience for artists of all levels. I challenge you to go out plein air painting so that you can grow faster and accelerate in your artist journey. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.